Hola, mi amigo. Bienvenido a YouTube de unboxmuse. Me llamo unboxmuse guy. And today, guys, I bring you the Satechi headphones, wireless headphones. You can use the Bluetooth to connect to anywhere. Smartphones, tablets, laptops, anywhere. Whatever you want. So, what do you think we begins before this motherfucker asshole he come back? Let's open this shit. Alright, so guys, as you can see, this is from Satechi. As you can see on the picture, you have white color with the rose gold. And you have different options. You have the silver, you have the space gray, and you have the gold. Here we are. All right. This is damn good looking. So you have black, like let's say plastic box. So the products come out so nice. You have the normal USB cable to charge it. You put it in his ass and you charge it. And then the audio jack. I'll come back to this one. But it's very nice. And the manual. This is a leather foam for the ears and leather foam here for the headband. Very nice. You can see here the Satechi logo and the silver aluminium material make it so light. You have the USB to charge it, audio jack, the volume up and down and to change track, and then the Bluetooth connection. Alright, so it's adjustable like on rotating, half rotating, and then you can slide it and slide it like this way. But let me show you what this headphones doesn't have. Like my headphones, guys. You see this ones have rotating sideways and up and down, so it's more comfortable when you put it on the ears. This one you don't have it, but anyway guys, this is so comfy. Alright, so you see this here, the Bluetooth button directly connect to Bluetooth. You have to wait 6 seconds, so let's wait for a few seconds because I already did the connection. I'm not that stupid. All you have to do now is to test it. So we put it, we adjust it, we take the cigar. I'm gonna work. Listen to it, guys. Guys, the sound is clear. It's not as this specific for bass, but this has a good bass and clear sound. Wow, impressive. The price is not that expensive. It's less than $100. Oh damn it, this is fuck as hell. Less than $100. Alright, again guys, the Bluetooth 4.0 can help you stream audio for a range of up to 33 feet, 10 meters. This is nice. If you fully charge the headphones, you can use it for up to 18 hours. Damn, it's 1, 2, 3 days of use. Quite nice. But now, there is nicer than nice than everything nice I have said about nice and nice. You remember at the beginning of the video I told you there is an auxiliary cable right here. This is it. So the auxiliary cable help you if you're in a plane. For sure, plane audio, it's only jack. So these headphones, you have the option of Bluetooth connection, and if you're in a plane, use this cable. So you plug it right here, and then on the other side the airplane audio, and then you can listen to music. This is the best option I have seen on headphones, and you can answer your phone calls. What the fuck? Guys, headphones, wireless, answer the phones you receive. There is a microphone on it here. Oh damn, this is a good product. All right, so now I am ready. Are you ready to roll now?
We are ready to.
Because
Damn, have you
Yes, I
unboxed?
No, wait, calm down. Don't be angry. Again.
Oh my
Wait,
god.
you are late to come to the office.
I'm not late.
What? I just did the unboxing. But wait, I have a gift. Now I have a gift for you.
Now interesting.
Just calm down. You see the gift over there? Bring it.
This
Put
one?
it on the table. Right. Now I will count to 3. And you
Okay.
open it, but very fast.
All right.
Right? All right. So, 1, 2, y 3. Pause it. Oh, guys, this is so funny. To have fun with a twin like this, it's funny like this, no? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, the unboxing of the Satechi headphones, wireless, and you have the option of auxiliary jack headphones. Now, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like the video, and if you have any comment down below. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing, and don't forget to subscribe again and again, and I will see you the next week. But now let me enjoy my Cohiba cigar.